what would the world look like if your application exists? This is really trying to map out all of the assumptions you're making. And the reason that it is important to think about those is so that you can have a better, honest judgment of what is it that you're trying to achieve. It is very helpful as an exercise to do with yourself, even if you're working solo. It's a very helpful exercise to document what you're assuming. If you're working with a team, this is extra important to do. The assumptions are all about what I think will happen in the world where this application exists. For me, I'm the only user. First of all, I can go deeply into research. Again, I'm having fun here with how I'm writing these assumptions. I'm also going to talk about some challenges and tendencies that might be important to keep track of. For example, if I have this very powerful tool in my hands, maybe I need to upload all of my documents to a single source like Google Drive and then integrate to it so that I can read from them. I might have to change something about how I work outside of this app to make this app more useful. That's a dependency that is important to keep track of, because then I know I have to change something about my process, but also I have to create a Google Drive integration. Or other challenges. My partner might get angry if this app is working really well and I'm deep in research all the time and she calls me and I don't pick up her call. That's an important thing to take into account, right? How am I going to tackle that dependency if my application is really powerful? Because if she gets angry at me, even though the app is working really well, I can't use it. So you have to tackle these kind of problems upfront, because these dependencies are the types of things that will make a product fail. You have built a product that is technically capable. It has done all the things right. But all of a sudden, an executive comes out in a business and says, I don't like the color of this button. You're not going to buy this. These kind of dependencies exist, and you have to think about them up front. You don't have to be all negative. You could also be positive, like, oh my God, I guess I will start my writing career that I always wanted to do. So you write all the assumptions you make about good and bad that will come out of this product.